Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at CHEFMAN air fryer toaster oven XL 20 liters. Now let me show you what comes inside. This is brand new. Let's just say the box is pretty large. And here we go with the accessories on top. Let's put those on the side. I'll show those in a little bit. I just want to pull everything out first. And let me show you the accessories that come with this. It does come with quite a few accessories. So here we go right on top. We do have the air fryer basket. Does have the stands on the bottom, which is really cool. So if you want to do some fried chicken or anything like that, this will definitely come in handy. Next, let's check what else we have. We have quite a few paperwork. So here we go. We do get the recipe book. Very, very thick. So let me show you just some of them. So we have classic B0T, tomato bruschetta, pesto and pecorino pizza. Oh, there's actually quite a lot of recipes. Really, really thick recipe book. Let's see the end. How many recipes can you expect? So hard 40 pages. So 2 pages per recipe. So you will get about 20 recipes. Really nice touch, they included that. Then of course we have the user guide. Again, really thick. If you never use air fryer, I definitely recommend reading one of these. And then we have the quick start guide, which is for cages, so we have the cleaning, maintenance, and how the accessories go. And of course, you have how to cook. Again, if you never use one, it doesn't recommend going through those. Let's put those on the side. All right, here we go with the next item, which is again, stainless steel. This would be the baking rack. Again, good quality. And it is stainless steel, easy to clean. And let's put that on the side as well. Let's check the next items. So we get in these would be dehydrator rocks. So if you want to dehydrate some fruits, nuts, whatever you want to do, you will get 2 of these. So you can actually line them up. You can put 2 at a time, which is really nice. It will definitely save you some time. You're making big batches or dehydrated food or whatever you're doing. And now the final thing we do, get the brow pan. Should be really easy to clean. So that's with the accessories. So another thing I wanted to show you, this air fryer also comes with the crumb tray, and it's actually removable. So you can take it all the way out. You can clean, and once you're done, you just slide it back in, which is really, really cool. It saves a lot of cleaning. Whenever you can just pull something out, you don't have to put your hands inside. Now let's see the opening. So we do have that large window door on the front. It does have places where you can put the example. Let me show you. I'll do it this one. So where you can slide so you can do 2 different trays. You can do this one, and you can also do it on the bottom. I'm not sure if this one will fit on the bottom, or it will fit. So you can put this right here, and then you can put another one on the top. You can also do 2 different kinds of food. You can, for example, heat up your chicken on top and do, for example, fries from the bottom or something like that. So you can definitely mix, because this is do cook as well. All right, so I just had it plugged in. My first impression, I was amazed how large the display is. Huge numbers, which is something I love. Here's all the functions you have on the left side. So we have bake, conventional oven, broil air fry, slow cook warm toast, bagel and dehydrate. And on this side is where you can adjust the time. And as you press the time, you can adjust that easily. Works really nice. Very easy to detach. And then of course you can do the dual. And then look at that. You can actually even turn on the light and off. Really nice touch. This is definitely something that didn't expect, all right. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna select air fryer. I'm gonna change the temperature and time. Maybe I'll do 3 minutes. I didn't want to put anything inside. I just want since it's new, I want all the smell to come out. So let's start it up. And if I want to turn on the light, I can do that as well. So if you, for example, after 5 minutes, you come back inside, you turn on the light, see how the food is. All right, so that's how the CHEFMAN air fryer looks and what comes inside the box and how it works. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.